What if you could put your fitness business on autopilot? That's the big promise from Glofox, a comprehensive platform designed to streamline your operations. In this detailed review, we are going to explore the specific tools Glofox offers to help you grow. We'll look at how it helps you acquire new members through seamless online experiences, how it keeps them engaged with targeted communication, and how it gives you a full 360-degree view of your revenue. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear picture of whether this all-in-one system is the right fit for your gym or studio. Let's get into the core of what Glofox actually does. And the best place to start is with their primary promise, to help you grow your business in 3 key areas. First, it's designed to boost your membership numbers. The platform integrates directly with your website and social media to capture bookings and payments, and they claim this approach can boost bookings by an impressive 44%. It's not just about getting new faces in the door, though. The second pillar is all about keeping them there. Glofox gives you the tools to increase member engagement by sending automated texts, emails, and push notifications. The idea is to target members with personalized messages to encourage more bookings and prevent them from leaving, or what they call churn. In summary, Glofox offers a robust suite of tools built around 3 core pillars: growing membership, increasing engagement, and growing revenue. It simplifies the entire member journey with automated workflows, a branded app, and powerful data insights. The main takeaways are its potential to save you time through automation and provide a 360-degree view of your business.